Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hatfield Close. Today we've come to the SUTTONS farm development in Hornchurch to see this most magnificent of family homes. I can't wait to show you around. The internal accommodation boasts a 13-foot entrance hall, downstairs WC, 24-foot open plan lounge diner, with 4.5 metre sliding doors to rear, lantern, custom fitted cupboards under stairs and a bespoke media unit. The ground floor also benefits from a 16-foot playroom stroke office and a fitted kitchen with integrated appliances. The first floor accommodation boasts 4 bedrooms and a family bathroom WC. Externally, the property benefits from a west-facing rear garden. We also have side access and our own driveway benefiting from off-street parking for multiple vehicles. Ladies and gentlemen, as always, it's been a real pleasure to show you this wonderful family home. I look forward to welcoming you to Hatfield Close really soon. My name's DETACHED and we are Balcos.